Hello guys, Softony here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to improve image or video quality in After Effects and fix common problems like blurry previews and low resolution scaling. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we're here in After Effects, and first thing first, check your preview resolution. A lot of beginners accidentally work in a half or quarter resolution, so set it to full, like so. And as you can see, this is full HD media and I have imported this from pexels.com. Okay, now let's go right click and add adjustment layer, rename it to whatever you want. I will just type here corrections, go in the effects and presets, and for the first effect I'm gonna type unsharp mask and drag and drop onto our adjustment layer. And here for the amount I will set this one to 20, and you can of course play around here with the values, but this also depends of your image or video quality. Now go back here inside the effects and presets, and for the next one I will type sharpen effect, this one, and also drag and drop on the adjustment layer. And you can also increase sharpen amount, I will do 15. And as you can see guys, our video is getting better with only those two effects. And also for the third effect you can add vibrance and drag and drop also on the adjustment layer. Let's increase vibrance here to around 30 to get a warmer look, and also saturation I will do 15. And as you can see guys, our video looks much better than before. This is without our effects and this is with our effects. You can see clearly the difference. And also guys, one cool tip for the end, I'm gonna be showing you how to convert this media 01 into 4K. Let's create 4K composition. This is gonna be 3840 by 2160. Hit OK. Now go inside the full HD composition, copy those properties, and you can paste it like so. Select the media 01, go here inside the align panel, align it, OK. Let's also move this adjustment layer above this media 01. I will hit Ctrl Shift plus Y. I'm gonna increase the values for the width, also 3840, 2160, and also our adjustment layer is now 4K. And I will also go here at the align panel and center it like so. As you can see, now this is 4K. Okay guys, for the next step, go here inside the effects and presets, and I'm gonna type detail preserving upscale effect and drag and drop onto media 01. Do not apply it here onto adjustment layer. And here inside the effects control, click this first option, fit comp width, and also you can select this second one. And as you can see guys, we have created 4K video from full HD video in just a few simple steps. And also guys, you are probably wondering why I didn't hit S and scale it here to around 200. I didn't do here because this is a lot better option, it saves our pixels and image quality. Alright guys, that was everything in today's tutorial, and if you found something new, hit the like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Take a look at my channel, you can find a bunch of different tutorials. Also, I've been doing shorts for a while, so take a look. And until next time, stay creative and bye bye!